Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Lisa Green here with an update on our weather situation. No headlines out there as of the 4 o'clock hour. They may get issued here in the next couple of hours as the system moves through. But right now, it just looks like we've got some rain and some snow moving through that some people in the Jamestown area have been describing as not so great. We have the rain go through that area, and now the snow is falling there, and conditions are not great to travel on there. Let's zoom in here on this system. We had the rain move in first. It is impacting parts of southeastern North Dakota. Again, this is as recorded as of a little after 4 o'clock this afternoon. It's changing over to snow. You can see the snow is pushed into the Jamestown area, Valley City, and is now pushing toward Lisbon and the Edgeley regions. This system moving almost southward as it moves eastward. So it basically is kind of taking a north-south orientation here as it's kind of just a little bit edging eastward. And what that means is a change in what it was looking like was going to happen last night. It looks like mostly this stuff is going to stay on the western side of the Red River. We'll still get some light snow east, but the main impact will be southeastern North Dakota. Devil's Lake also getting some snow up there too. And there's more where this came from. So this is going to be, again, pushing southward and impacting a good portion of us tonight. Light snow amounts, though. We'll move this through here on your hour-by-hour forecast, how this will play out. So this initial band of accumulating snow moving through this evening, southeastern North Dakota especially, pausing around 8:30 tonight. This kind of spreads a little farther eastward. Fargo-Moorhead, Grand Forks seeing some light snow, and it does extend somewhat into Minnesota, too. This is one model run. This scenario could play out and likely will play out a little bit differently because it's a simulation. It's not always what happens in the atmosphere here. And as we move ahead toward later on into the evening hours, most of the system starts to drop southward, at least most of the accumulating part of it. And then later on tonight, there's a little bit of snow on the back end of it that'll be moving through eastern North Dakota. Baudette, Roseau, looks like you're going to be relatively quiet. It's the farther south and west you are in our viewing area that will likely see impacts. By tomorrow morning, it looks like things will be really winding down. And as we move through much of the day tomorrow, temperatures rising throughout the day, and a slight chance for some precipitation later on in the evening hours. But snowfall potential with this round, again, mainly in eastern parts of North Dakota in our viewing area. There will be some places in Minnesota that do see some snow. It's a light snow maker, not a lot. Some places up to about 3 inches of snow extending from Devil's Lake down to Jamestown and Sisseton. However, there is fresh rain that has fallen, and as temperatures drop, that's going to start to freeze. So roadways are going to get pretty messy, and we're already starting to hear it's a little bit, as one person described on our Facebook page, a little bit gnarly around the Jamestown area. So be careful if you plan to travel in this area tonight. I'll be on at 6 o'clock tonight with an update on the radar and how things are looking. And of course, we'll be keeping you updated on our Facebook page throughout the evening hours. And of course, we'd love to hear your reports. It really helps us to know what exactly is going on out there. And then we can pass that out to the rest of our viewers to know what they can expect if they're going to be stepping out the door. Be safe, everyone.